Hello guys, I hope you are fine and doing perfectly well. I'm again back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you will be how you can reset the password of for any user when you don't have access to WordPress. Like let's say you have forget the password or someone somehow have changed the WordPress all passwords and but if still you have hosting access and cpanel access. If you have cpanel access and hosting access, then definitely you can recover the password and can log into your website again. Before we start, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can get some motivation from you and from YouTube as well in the form of some cash, and so that I can continue making videos, this type of videos for you, and you can get from me as much as you can and I can. Okay, let's start it now here. This is my WordPress. I am using localhost, and here I am facing a problem, which is I am not able to reset the password, and I forget the my own password, and it was not stored somewhere else. So because in localhost emails do not work, as you already know that. So what I will do is that I will go to Phpmyadmin. If you are in have hosting access and cpanel, then you need to log into your hosting, access the cpanel, and then in cpanel you will found Phpmyadmin. You need to click on that, and once you will click on that, you will get something like this one. 1 minute, hold on. Yes, once you will click on that, you will get something like this here. This will be the okay. So then you will need to find your database, which is for my website. This is the database that I had created when I was creating the site. Then you need to go to WP users. This is the table where all the admin or subscriber or all the users are stored. So here is the my user. You can see that I will click on edit, and I will just change my password. Where is the okay, here is the password field. Here you need to select md5. You need to select md5 and write, type your password here, like let me 1 minute. Okay, for now I'm just using this one as password, and then let's go to back and click on go. When you click on go, it will store your update your password. Now let's go in the backend here, and let's try to sign in. So as you know, this is the username. This is my username. I will use this. I will need to use backend. Okay, here we are. Here is the username. Here I will put the password that I have used. Try to use a strong password always. That will help you to secure your site from the hackers. Now let's click on login, and I'm sure I will be able to log in. Okay, I'm logged in, and you can see that I am in the dashboard now, and here save password, and here is the all users. You can see that here is all the users. Okay, I hope my this video was helpful for you. I will continue making these type of videos for you.